He must hold the record, if not for the most flying hours in the Lancaster, but for the greatest span of time between his first flight in that aeroplane and the most recent flight completed only last week. A remarkable 76 years. I mean, what an achievement. So it now gives me great pleasure to hand over to Johnny Johnson, the last British dam buster, to give his recollection of being a founder member of 617 Squadron and the attack on the Sorp Dam.
Thank you very much for inviting me here this evening to talk about one thing, the highlight of my operational career. We were supposed to fly across the dam, which put the bomb on the water side, and estimate to drop the bomb as near as possible to the centre of the dam. As we were going across Germany, a goods train was travelling at right angles to our track, and Ron Batson in the front turret said, "Can I have a go, Joe?" Somewhat reluctantly, Joe McCarthy said, "Well, yes, all right." Batson opened up with two little 303s, which is all we got in that front turret. What we didn't know, of course, it wasn't just a goods train, it was an armoured goods train. And it replied with rather more than 303s. If I wasn't satisfied, I called dummy run. If Joe wasn't satisfied, he pulled away and left me to call dummy run. After about 6th or 7th of these, my voice from the rear turret, "Won't somebody get that bum out of here?" On the 10th run, we were down to 30 feet. And when I said bomb gone, "Thank Christ," came from the rear turret, just like that. We'd just crumbled the top of the dam for about 20 yards. Barnes Wallis had told us at briefing he estimated it would take at least 6 bombs to crack that dam because of its structure. He said, if you can crack it, the water pressure will do the rest. And believe me, the amount of water in that dam, I'm sure he was right on that. I'm very proud of having been able to join this wonderful Air Forces. I had the honour to attend the opening ceremony at the Royal Albert Hall, and a wonderful evening that was, and really set the 100th anniversary off to a flying start. I think maybe that's enough for me.